Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Land Cruiser versus the Duster. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their robust engineering to their everyday practicality. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle and driving needs. We'll cover everything from engine power to interior comfort, giving you a clear picture of both options. When it comes to performance, the Land Cruiser often boasts powerful engines, like a 5.7-liter V8, providing immense torque for challenging terrains and heavy loads. The Duster, on the other hand, usually features more economical engines, such as a 1.3-liter turbo, prioritizing fuel efficiency. While both can handle rough roads, the Land Cruiser's advanced suspension and differential locks give it a significant edge in extreme off-roading scenarios. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers a truly premium experience, with plush leather seating, a large touchscreen display, and advanced driver assistance systems. You'll find features like heated and ventilated seats and a sophisticated sound system. The Duster's interior is more utilitarian, designed for practicality and resilience, often featuring durable fabric seats and a simpler infotainment setup. Both provide ample space, but the Land Cruiser generally offers more refined comfort for longer journeys. Considering value, the Land Cruiser represents a significant investment, with a higher purchase price and typically higher fuel consumption. Its legendary reliability often translates to strong resale value. The Duster offers a compelling package at a much lower price point, making it accessible for a wider range of buyers, with lower maintenance costs. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities: luxury and extreme capability versus affordability and practicality. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.